Hey guys, what's up? Matt here with another episode of Just a Tip. Today what we're gonna do is my favorite objection handling hack. Okay, so put 2 minutes on the clock here and I will thoroughly ignore it. So my favorite objection handling hack is a perspective reframe. So what that means is that I just try and get the person, I overcome logistical objections, all that kind of stuff, and I have a bridge. Okay, a bridge is like in music terms, where it's a transition into something else. So I want to create a transition that gets the person to buy into my way of thinking, okay? It's called a bridge. So my favorite is a perspective one. And if someone gives me an objection, I go, that makes sense because we all make decisions based off our perspective, right? Then from there, they go, well, yeah, of course. And then from there, I'm in it. Now, this is my world. I now control the rest of the conversation moving forward because I have dictated the framework for it. So that is an objection handling hack. You come up with a bridge that leads very well into a conversation that you can confidently and consistently control. All right, guys, I hope that was helpful. Go out, create your own bridge, comment down below, and see you later. Bye.